In 1992, while working as a national director of sales for a Silicon Valley technology company, I became disheartened by the lack of other minorities in the technology field. I witnessed the privilege of those who had access to benefits and opportunities versus those who did not. It's a classic case, the haves versus the have-nots. And so I created Unity Care in San Jose as a way of creating access for those less fortunate and developing educational and social programs designed to enrich the lives of at-risk youth. Unity Care's overarching goal is to support our families' journeys towards self-sufficiency by ensuring that every child and family we work with has accomplished the goals in our 5 strategic areas of focus: housing, employment, education, well-being, and unconditional care. Fundraising and strategic partnerships will enable us to expand our core services to better meet the needs of those youth and families we serve. Unity Care's foundation is grounded in strong culture, deep-rooted values, vision, and integrity. This enables us to effectively engage and build trusting relationships with our youth, families, and communities. Unity Care staff, from our board of directors, upper management, to our line staff, reflects the cultural and ethnic diversity of the communities we serve. We operate from within our communities rather than just visiting them. What makes Unity Care effective is that we are a nimble, strength-based organization, which allows us to be responsive both politically and programmatically to the needs of our youth and families. Our core value is the needs of those we serve are our first priority, and that's reflected in our agency's policies and practices. We have a robust outcome measurement system that we use to measure each youth and family's performance upon graduating, referred to as our 5 pillars of success: housing, employment, education, well-being, and unconditional care. Our overarching goal is to support our families' journey towards self-sufficiency, ensuring that every child and family we work with accomplishes the goals in these 5 strategic areas. We're community-based and community-focused. Each program is staffed with individuals from ethnically and culturally diverse backgrounds so that children and families see and hear themselves in the faces and voices of people who reflect their individual culture. We work to dispel some common misconceptions about foster care by educating the community about its horrific outcomes. In any given year, foster children make up less than 0.3% of California's population, and yet 40% of persons living in homeless shelters are former foster children. Approximately 20,000 youth age out of foster care each year, facing disproportionately higher rates of unemployment, incarceration, dependence on public assistance, mental health problems, and substance abuse. Since 1993, Unity Care has received both national and local awards for its innovative and culturally proficient programs. We've grown from 1 employee, 1 youth, and 1 home to over 170 employees, 18 different programs serving 3,500 youth and families per year across Northern California. Working in a formal system that is oftentimes reactive, crisis-driven, and deficit-based creates significant challenges when attempting to advocate for policy and practice changes that would better serve children and families. Unity Care has been a leader in pioneering systematic changes towards reducing the overrepresentation of children of color in the child welfare system. Additional resources would enable Unity Care to expand its core services to better meet the growing needs of the children and families we serve today. In addition, we'd invest in our research and development department, which would enable us to better track the long-term social impact within our communities. Together, we can break the generational curse of children and families caught in the foster care system. The reason why the foster system is broken is because children linger there for years, lost and disconnected from family. Our goal is to reconnect children back to families, cousins, uncles, aunts, a coach, anyone the child identifies with as family who's willing to open their doors. The current system can't do that, but we have a program called Family Finding that works. We only have one staff member focused on this program. Our goal is to have a team of people dedicated to finding and reconnecting foster children with family members.